How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can remove light glare on Snapseed. So first things first, let's open up the image itself. Now, this is a big image right here with a lens glare. So I'm only going to do a portion of it. And then right after zooming in to go ahead and take a look at those lens blur or lens glare, you want to click on tools. You then want to find the healing option. And then from here, it's as easy as drag and dropping it onto the blur or the glares itself. So in my case, I'm going to be doing this one. Same thing with this one. Now this will alter your images a little bit, so you could continue fixing it, or you could continue applying some healing tool to go ahead and fix the blur itself. Let's go ahead and apply some to this one. Now I'm only going to apply a major of it onto some layers right here just to make things a little bit faster. But as you can see from there, it will then apply the effect or remove the lens glare somewhat. Okay, this is the before and this is the after. You could just keep working on this until you get your desired look. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.